Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best jigsaws in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Popularly known for making high-powered tools that allow you to work with precision and speed, DeWalt continues the trend in the design of Max brushless jigsaw. This jigsaw is a cordless model which doesn't compromise on power or performance. It is powered by a 20-volt battery that offers a speed range of 0-3000 strokes per minute (SPM), and which will allow you cut straight lines and curves into almost any type of material, including metal, plastic, and solid wood. A unique feature of this jigsaw is the inclusion of an all-metal lever-action keyless blade that can change the blade quickly without having to touch the hot blade. What's more, the DeWalt jigsaw uses a lithium battery that retains its charge longer than its competitors, and it is perfectly capable of powering the jigsaw to make cuts through tough materials. Furthermore, the top handle for this jigsaw is designed to enhance control and comfort, while its anti-grip feature improves handling during use. The jigsaw is suited to making beveled cuts, as it has keyless shoe bevel with detents at 0, 15, 30 and 45 degrees. Additionally, there is a removable shoe cover added to the features of this jigsaw, and which helps to protect the materials you are cutting from scratches, and it also comes with an adjustable blower that keeps the cut line clear of chips, debris, and dust. Overall, this jigsaw is very portable, which makes it quite easy to make precise and accurate cuts in tight spaces. It was designed to be tough and versatile, and it is capable of being utilized in a wide number of applications. For more quality tools to add to your collection, check out our guide to the best tuning jigs. For true pros, or those who just want to look like true pros, the Bosch Jigsaw Kit is the #1 high-quality jigsaw that goes both above and beyond what you'd expect of a jigsaw. With 7.2 amps of power, it delivers fantastic high-powered performance that is considered by many to be an engineering marvel for jigsaws. The variable speed dial and trigger help you find the best operating speed, while the 2 slotted roller guides prevent heat, creating friction and blade deflection for unrivaled performance. The tool-free adjustment is also straightforward, increasing efficiency, which besides the let ensures excellent productivity, no matter the demands of the job. Also straightforward is the bevel adjustment, which comes with solid 45-degree stops to maximize intricate cutting possibilities, while still delivering smooth operation for easy and comfortable work. The footplate is a little awkward to adjust, but with something as brilliant as the Bosch Jigsaw Kit, we're certain you can look past this little flaw and enjoy everything else about it that will transform your projects for the better. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best electric chainsaws. Our first pick of the best jigsaws is the Black Plus Decker Smart Select Jigsaw, which is a massively affordable and equally high-performing options for both professionals and hobbyists. Immediately, we're drawn to the curve control technology, which you can adjust with 4 customized settings to suit whatever cuts you need to make. The 5-amp motor delivers power, with up to 3000 SPM, stroke per minute, of cutting power for excellent, reliable action in a range of applications. Even with this power, it ensures smooth cutting, ensuring you're always in control, and allowing you to create highly intricate and complex designs with total ease. The keyless blade clamp ensures straightforward and tool-free blade changing, which saves you seconds when working on important, time-sensitive jobs, and its compact design means you can easily store it in your favorite toolbox without taking cluttering or needing to take out other tools. It's safe, it's portable, and it's inclusive enough to satisfy both pros and novices, meaning it could easily stand out as your go-to tool from now on. The Makita lithium-ion cordless jigsaw is powered by a 3.9-amp motor that is powerful enough to carry out tasks around the home. With the inclusion of a built-in lithium-ion battery, this jigsaw offers power, mobility, and precision for all your tasks. It comes with 3 orbital settings and variable speed that can be adjusted between 500 and 3100 SPM and is controlled by a speed dial that helps you find the perfect velocity to match your task. Overall, this jigsaw offers a lightweight and portable design, which makes it great for use in tight or compact areas. What's more, the die-cast aluminum base can be easily adjusted up to 45 degrees in either direction. An improved counterbalance system is included in the design, which helps to reduce vibrations, which in turn enhances precision when cutting into materials. It is also worth noting that it is quite different from most jigsaws, as it accepts any T-shank blade, which makes it more versatile and allows you to cut into tough materials such as metal, aluminum, and laminate. Other excellent features include a dust blower and vacuum compatibility, which helps to clear dust particles so as to make accurate cuts. Boasting excellent power for such a tool, the DeWalt 20V Max Jigsaw is an excellent upgrade for now experienced professionals and D'ers to take their projects to another level of performance. It's cordless, so you're gifted greater mobility and versatility with your jobs, but still get the high power you'd find with a corded jigsaw. It's also not too heavy to cause fatigue after long days carrying it around the workshop, which is just one point of convenience. The all-metal keyless bevel makes adjusting the angle simple, while the 4-position orbital action capabilities give you a wide range of cutting opportunities for more intricate designs. The anti-slip comfort grip makes it easy to control, which helps maintain accuracy during jobs, even though there's no lead cut line. A high-quality option for serious tradesmen looking for their first upgrade. The only issue is the provided blades may not handle heavy-duty work, but we're sure you were planning on buying more anyway. Be sure to also check out our list of the best reciprocating saws for more great items like this.